Good morning, beautiful people. That was on some cheerleader shit. Good morning. What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If this is the first time you're ever seeing my face, do not forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time that I post. I am in a different location. Yes, I am visiting my family for the weekend, and while I was out here, I decided to film for you guys my simple morning skincare routine. You guys really loved my nighttime skincare routine, and I thought I would share my morning. My morning is a little bit, not a little bit, way simpler than my nighttime routine, mainly because I'm just out here, getting ready to go to work, and we just gotta do the basics. So before I dive on into my routine, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Simply Soribel. Same for my Twitter at Simply Soribel. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so for my first step, it will be to cleanse my skin, and I go in with the acne.org cleanser. I love this cleanser so much because of how simple it is. It truly does what it needs to do, and I like just using simplified skincare products in the morning. Now, while washing my face, I do follow the 60-second rule where I wash my face for 60 seconds with just my fingers. I found that rule through Golden RX on YouTube, and ever since I started doing that, my skin has definitely improved. So definitely get on that, and I'll be linking the video down below where she furthermore explains that. So once I'm done washing my face, I go on in and dry my face by patting it dry. Yes, pat, do not rub that towel all over your face, ladies and gentlemen. It is a no-no. And once I'm done drying my face, I'll be going in with my toner. So for my toner, I'll be using the Heritage Stone Rosewater Toner with hyaluronic acid, and I love it so much. This one was recommended also by Golden RX because I have been on the hunt for a good toner. I have been using the Fresh, but I ran out and I wanted to try something new just to see if there was anything better out there, and so far I like it. This toner is very affordable. You guys can find it at Target, Walmart, or any other drugstore, and you guys can also get it at Ulta. After toning, I go in with CeraVe's Repair Eye Cream, and the reason why I use it is because your girl suffers from very puffy, dark circles. I don't know why. Ever since I was a kid, I've always had dark circles, but while using this, I started it back in October when I came back from DR, and A1, I've noticed a huge difference, and I also use this in my nighttime routine as well. Once that's done, my next step is to moisturize. So for my moisturizer, I'll be using the acne.org moisturizer regimen, and it's amazing. Like, honestly, shout out to Neri for putting me onto this brand, and I definitely recommend trying it if you guys are having kind of a struggle finding what product works for you. So this moisturizer has ultra soothing, calming licorice root extract, which also helps with hyperpigmentation. So definitely get on that if that's a struggle that you guys are facing. And like always, I love myself to have nice, super lightweight, especially in the morning. I don't want that greasy, heavy feel, especially if I'm going to be using sunscreen. So this moisturizer, I feel like, is the best for the morning. So once I'm done moisturizing, I'll be going in with the Everyday Sunscreen from Supergoop, and this is my favorite sunscreen. It doesn't give me that white cast that others do, and the importance of using sunscreen, I'm pretty sure y'all are aware, but it definitely helps. 1, protect your skin against the sun. 2, if you're using any active ingredients in your skincare routine, it definitely helps protect your skin from getting any, you know, reactions or just getting any scarring or anything of that sort. So that's very important. And I also feel as though using sunscreen definitely has helped my hyperpigmentation go away, mainly because I used to have like a lot of scarring whenever I would have a breakout, and now that I use sunscreen, my skin definitely has been clearing up, and I've noticed a personal difference. So my last and final step for my morning skincare routine is to moisturize my lip with the EOS balm. It kind of just seals the deal. Your girl's good, skin's moisturized, lips moisturized, and now I'm ready to go on about my day. What is good? So I am back in New York. I am home, but I did want to close out the video for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up, and if you guys love my skincare videos, comment that down below and I'll continue sharing with you guys. There's a lot of products that I'm interested in trying out, but I'm nervous because I don't want my skin to like react and like purge or whatever. So, but I'm always open. I am looking for new moisturizer, and I always take, you know, I'm still looking for a good vitamin C serum. So if y'all know anything like that, let your girl know. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram at simplemorningskincare, same for Twitter, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So now I'm gonna chill with my boyfriend. We might watch the Super Bowl. I say might because I had to figure out this live thing with the internet, being that I don't have cable. But yeah, and on that note, I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'm so sorry for my hair. I just came back and I cannot wait to get my cut.